In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monopoly Go on Discord. First, we need to begin by opening the Monopoly Go app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to download it from your app store and have it ready to go. Once the app is open, you'll find yourself on the home screen where you're familiar with the vibrant and playful design. This app is more than just a game. It's a community that we're going to dive into more deeply through Discord. Now, pay close attention to the upper corner of your screen where you'll notice the three-dot icon. This is a gateway to more options. Tapping these three dots will reveal a drop-down menu, loaded with different choices. It's akin to peeling back another layer of the Monopoly Go experience, giving you access to various settings and more. As you glance through this menu, look for an option that says, Join Us. This is your invitation to become part of the wider Monopoly Go community. When you click on this, you're essentially telling the app that you're ready to take part in the robust social community that's buzzing around Monopoly Go. It's a great step to enhance your gameplay experience by connecting with fellow players, sharing tips, and even finding answers to queries you might have. The next step is key. Once inside the Join Us section, seek out the Discord icon. Clicking on Discord will take you to a platform that millions of gamers and communities use globally to chat and share information. If you're new to Discord, don't worry, it's user-friendly and won't take long to get the hang of it. By clicking on the Discord option, you're setting yourself up to enter this bustling Monopoly Go world where you can chat, strategize, and become a part of the game's larger community. Once you've joined the Discord server, explore the different channels available. You'll find spaces for general discussions, game tips, and even channels for voice chat, if you're keen on having real-time conversation with other players. It's a vibrant place, fueled by players who are just as enthusiastic about Monopoly Go as you are, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've seamlessly linked your Monopoly Go experience to the vibrant world of Discord, connecting with like-minded gamers, exchanging strategies, and of course, enhancing your gameplay. It's all about making the most of your Monopoly Go journey. And joining the Discord community is a fantastic way to enrich your experience. Thanks for watching, and may your Monopoly adventures continue with lively new connections.